Hello guys, do you know that building 1,000 subscribers and achieving 4,000 hours of watch time on YouTube within 7 days is an ambitious goal? It requires a highly strategic approach and potentially a significant investment of time and resources. Today I'm going to talk about how to make 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch time on YouTube just in 7 days. Is it really possible? What type of strategies we can use to make it in 7 days? What are the main key points we need to focus on while achieving our goals? Let's discuss all these factors and key points in this video that will help us to make 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch time on YouTube just in 7 days. Okay, before we move on to the topic, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon button for watching more interesting videos on my channel. Okay guys, let's move on to the first most important point that we need to focus on is niche selection and audience targeting. Focus on a highly specific and trending niche with a clear target audience. Popular niches include tech, entertainment, gaming, how-to tutorials, and reaction videos. Use tools like Google Trends or YouTube Analytics to identify trending topics. Okay, after we select niche, now what we need to do? Now we need to focus on another important point, that is high-quality content. Create professional, engaging, and visually appealing videos. Aim for a balance between quality and quantity. Each video should be impactful and worth watching from start to finish. The next important point is optimize video titles and thumbnails. Use catchy, curiosity-driven titles with relevant keywords to attract viewers. Design visually striking thumbnails that stand out on the YouTube homepage or search results. Okay guys, do you know that you need to post frequently, upload multiple videos daily during the 7-day period, ensuring consistent high quality? More content increases exposure and chances of gaining subscribers and watch time. Here's another important point that you need to focus on is leverage SEO. Optimize video descriptions, tags, and metadata with relevant keywords. Include detailed descriptions and timestamps to improve discoverability. Guys, you know that it's very important to engage with the community. Respond to comments on your videos to build relationships with viewers. Engage with other creators and communities in your niche to increase visibility. Okay, let's move on to another point we need to focus on is promote on social media, guys. It's very important to share your videos across platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, and Reddit. Collaborate with influencers or communities relevant to your niche for cross-promotion. There is another important point to make your videos viral, that is, live streams and premieres. Host live streams or premiere videos to engage viewers in real time and boost watch time. Interactive sessions often lead to more subscribers. Guys, it's very important to use calls to action, CTAs. Include CTAs in your videos, asking viewers to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Pin a comment on your videos inviting viewers to subscribe and watch more content. Guys, you need to analyze and adjust too to make your watch time and subscriber rubber. Use YouTube Analytics daily to monitor performance. Identify which videos are performing well and create similar content to maximize traction. Consider collaborating with others, running targeted ad campaigns, or creating a challenge trend to drive massive engagement quickly. Guys, I hope this video will help you to grow your channel, and if you will really focus on these important key points, then you can make watch time and subscriber just in 7 days. If you gain something from my video, then kindly comment in the section box, and you can ask more questions related to the topic. I will be happy to help you. Thank you, bye-bye.